Good morning, children. Today's subject is logic and reasoning. So let's start today's class. Vegetables. So topic is vegetables. So let's learn about summer vegetables. Which vegetables we can eat in summer? First one is bittergourd, Bittergourd, bittergourd. Next is brinjal, Brinjal, brinjal. Next vegetable is pumpkin, Pumpkin, pumpkin. Next is onion, Onion, onion. Next is cucumber, Cumber. So these are the vegetables we can eat in summer season. Bittergourd, brinjal, pumpkin, onion, cucumber. Let's learn about winter vegetables, what we can eat in winter season. First one is peas, Peas, peas. Carrot, Carrot, carrot. Radish, Radish, radish. Beetroot, Beetroot, beetroot. Broccoli, Broccoli, broccoli. So these are the vegetables we can eat in winter season. First one is peas, carrot, radish, beetroot, broccoli. Next, names of flowers. So let's revise this. First one is daisy, Daisy, daisy. Next flower is orchid, Orchid, orchid. Poppy, Poppy, poppy. Hibiscus, Hibiscus, hibiscus. And the last one is iris, iris. Let's revise names of birds. First one is vulture, Vulture, vulture. Next is sparrow, Sparrow, sparrow. Next is dove, Dove, dove. Parrot, Parrot, parrot. Flamingo, Flamingo, flamingo. So these are the birds: vulture, sparrow, dove, parrot, and flamingo. Please note down Hindi class test on Thursday, 12th August, and topic is Badi E Ki Bara Khadi. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.